हे किड्स, वेलकम टू किडेazyzone। मैं हूँ आपकी टीचर और आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फाबेट। A is for apple, apple.
A is for apple, apple.
B is for ball, ball.
B is for ball, ball.
C is for car, car.
C is for car.
D is for dog, dog.
D is for dog, dog.
E is for elephant, elephant.
E for elephant, elephant.
F is for fish, fish.
F is for fish, fish.
G is for grapes, grapes.
G is for grapes.
Grapes. H is for hen, hen.
H is for hen, hen.
I is for igloo, igloo.
I is for igloo, igloo.
J is for joker, joker.
J is for joker, joker.
K is for kite, kite.
K is for kite, kite.
L is for lion, lion.
L is for lion, lion.
M is for monkey, monkey.
M is for monkey.
N is for nest, nest.
N is for nest, nest.
O is for orange, orange.
O is for orange, orange.
P is for parrot, parrot.
P is for parrot.
Q is for queen, queen.
Q is for queen, queen.
R is for red, red.
R is for red, red.
S is for ship, ship.
S is for ship, ship.
T is for tiger, tiger.
T is for tiger, tiger.
U is for umbrella, umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
V is for van, van.
V is for van, van.
W is for watch, watch.
Watch. W is for watch.
X is for Xmas, Xmas.
X is for Xmas, Xmas.
Y is for yak, yak.
Y is for yak, yak.
Z is for zebra, zebra.
Z is for zebra,
Jinx.
zebra.
1 O-N-E, 1. 2 T-W-O, 2. 3 T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4 F-O-U-R, 4. 5 F-I-V-E, 5. 6 S-I-X, 6. 7 S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8 E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9 N-I-N-E, 9. 10 T-E-N, 10. Let's learn again. 1 O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4 F-O-U-R, 4. 5 F-I-V-E, 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. T-E-N. 10. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.